Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be replacing the HID Xenon bulbs on this car with LED. Most of the BMWs with Xenon headlights have D1S bulbs, and this car also have D1S, and it's going to be replaced with LED. So bulb removal process is pretty simple. First we have to, like I'm going to be doing the passenger side first. So on this side we have the windshield washer fluid. This thing we just lift it up. I'm just gonna get it down so it get out of the way. Just put it down there. Now it's just this cap for the bulb, so just twist it anti-clockwise and just get it out like that. So inside here we have the D1S bulb, and this thing is the connector. So first I'm going to remove the connector and then remove the bulb. So this is the bulb. So what I did was, you press these two over here like this, press the cable and then just pull it out from the bulb like that. Once you pull out, the bulb is connected this way. So what you do is you turn it this way, anti-clockwise. Turn it anti-clockwise and pull it out. So this is the replacement LED bulb I'm going to be using to replace this HID D1S bulb. Make sure you pick the right size. My car has D1S, so I picked this D1S bulbs. They are directly plug and play, and you can buy them from Amazon, eBay or any other online store. Make sure the ones you get are the right size, and they come with the CAN bus error decoder. So these ones came with this resistor or error decoder. So if there is any error on the dash, this is going to cancel it. And this is where we are going to connect the cable, which we removed from the OEM bulb. So this is where we're going to connect the cable, same as we removed it. For putting the bulb in, we're just going to follow the reverse process. Just insert the bulb and turn it clockwise until it locks. This resistor, put it inside the headlight assembly to the side. Make sure it's not touching the fan of the LED bulb, and also note the housing of the bulb because that thing gets really hot. So put it to the side, and now just follow the reverse process for closing the dust cover back, like twist it clockwise until it locks. And now we are going to put the windshield washer, this bottle thing over here, and we are done on the passenger side. So before doing the driver side, I just want to do the color comparison. On the left side you see is the LED bulb, and on the right we have is the HID bulb. You can see the color comparison. Okay, now if we compare it from the inside of the car, on the left side you see this is the HIDs, and on the right side, on the passenger side, we have the LED. You can see the this is the HID. It's more yellow. You won't be able to see in the camera like on the video, but in the real life I can see the HID is more yellow than the LED, and the light is more scattered in like the heat spot is more wider in LED as compared to the HID. HID has a smaller spot. Let me adjust it, and yeah, here you can see it now much better. So yeah, the LED is more wider coverage as compared to the HID. So for the driver side, it's exactly the same process, only we have like more room over here, so it's gonna be a lot easier and faster. So yeah, just follow the same process, open the dust cover and remove the bulb and replace it with the LED. So both of the lights are installed, and now let's test them out in the dark. And if I turn them on, yeah, so this is how they are. They are pretty bright. They are very bright, and the one thing I like about them is the light. It's in white color. They matches the DRL, the angel eyes on this car. They are not yellow, so that's what I like about it. And also the light throw is more wider. It covers the more area. It looks like it is covering the more area, and I don't know how long they are gonna last, but they can be replaced cheaper than the HID and easily as well. So yeah, they're good. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.